Hi friends, welcome to the Feathered Cottage Adventures. Today I'm going to share with you a Dollar Tree haul. I'm trying to get ready to start my Christmas series, and I just wanted to show you real quick the things that I picked up in case you wanted to go get them. I'm going to start with this little ornament. Of course, everything was $1, but this little ornament somehow, oh, you turn the top. And I don't know if you can see, it's changing colors. So I got 6 of these to put on my tree. And then I got, I don't know how many of these. I got the large styrofoam ball, or glitter ball. I got the solid. And then I got a couple gold ones. And these I'm gonna paint blue so that I can bring that blue in my tree. I got about 12 of these little bells. I just think that's so pretty. And then I got a bag of pine cones. I got these little double stars, which I thought that was pretty good. 2 for $1. You can't beat that. I may jazz them up a little bit. I went in actually for floral picks, but I ended up coming out with a whole lot more. I got this floral pick. I only got 2 of these. That was all they had. And then I got 2 of these little glittery ones, and that was all they had. Of course, something you love, that's all they have. And then I got 2 of these. We've got little pine cones and some different greenery on them, and that was all they had, was 2. I got several of these because I'll be using all around. And then I got several of these, which when you fluff them out, the reason I picked these is that they had a lot of greenery. They have different greenery on them. They had the pine cones, they have the little red berries, they have this one, the holly leaf, the apple, which I'll probably be taking the apples off, but we'll see. We'll see what they look like. And so I got several of these. And then I got several of these. Now I fluffed this one a little bit. You do have to pull them apart because they're stuck together. But I just thought they were pretty and looked wintry, so I got some of those. And then for one of the DIYs, I'm gonna try using some of these and see how it turns out, which you'll see in a future coming video. And then I picked up one of the Merry Christmas signs. I picked up 2 of these because I've got DIYs I want to do with them. And I just thought they were really cute. I'm gonna lay the stuff back down and not break it. And then I got one of this little sign, and I just thought he was really cute. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I did get more stuff for the kitchen. I got 2 cooling racks and 2 little pans that will fit in my toaster oven for the keto diet. Oh, I got these mugs for my hot chocolate bar. Are they not the cutest things? I loved it. So I got 2 of those to go on my hot chocolate bar. And then I got 3 of the little cubes. 3 of these little cubes for my DIYs. I got some wooden spoons, which is going to be a DIY also. Bag to keep my wires and stuff for my phone and that kind of stuff in it. But that's all I picked up on this haul to Dollar Tree. Stick around because there'll be a Walmart haul and a Hobby Lobby haul that'll be coming soon. But I just wanted to share these with you real quick so that if you saw anything you liked, you could run out and get them, because you know at Dollar Tree they're gone really quick. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's just short and sweet. Be sure to come back and watch my different DIYs that I have planned, preparing for doing my Christmas. Thanks. Everybody have a great day. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to become part of the Feathered Cottage Adventures. And until we meet again, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.